back to another video. Today I'm going to be reorganizing Jackson's bedroom. It has been a long time coming to organize his stuff. He's been growing out of clothes. I need to move around some furniture, give it a good clean. A challenge on top of that will be to entertain this guy while I do that. I will take you along with me on this process. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and here we go. So when you enter his room, tripod is in the crib, but you have his crib, a change table, a little bed here, and then his closet. So I've already emptied the change table because we honestly don't use it, and Jackson just touches everything that's in the change table. So we can no longer have little random things there. We have a table here, like a little side table. Used to have the humidifier on there, but now Jackson knows how to touch it. And then a diaper genie. Over here we have this closet, which is like insane. Hopefully I can get it to focus. So I have a bunch of bins up there with toys that I rotate, clothes. I have my jackets on that side and a little bit bigger clothes for Jackson when he gets older, things that were on the change table, and then just more random stuff. So my goal today is to try to get rid of things, organize, move that dresser out here and put this change table in there to use as storage, because it is a pretty good like storage piece of furniture. I don't want to really put it away in our other storage. And yeah, so let's do it. Oh, okay, and hi. Hopefully you let me do it? Yeah? so much nicer. Excuse the background noise. Jackson found quite a bit of toys. So I'm gonna keep the wall decor the same. Maybe I'll change it later or just adjust it. But here, so I put the drawers out. Excuse that, that's clothes that are too small. So I have this humidifier here, which I'm cleaning, a night light sound machine, and a couple books that I like to keep on hand. This is kind of random, so maybe I'll put it in the drawer. What I have here, so I got rid, or I removed the diapers from that woven box. Oh, it's such a nice box, but it doesn't fit. But I have all his diapers here. I never change him in the room anymore, so I just grab a couple diapers and put them around the house. I have some pajamas that hopefully still fit him, and then some cloths and wipes and things like that, and wipes. Then here are his main clothes. I have all his pants, which are KonMari folded, shirts, long sleeves and short sleeves, socks and bibs. I have swimwear, and then I have one pair of jeans here, and then a couple sweatpants that are just a tad too big, but we're getting there. Then on the bottom, I still have quite a bit of room left, but I just have swaddles that are bigger, so I removed all the baby smaller swaddles. I'm gonna put that in storage. I have his bed sheets here, so it's easier for me to grab, and then some space, which is awesome. Yay! So what I'll probably get now are just little safety clips so Jackson can't pull it, and then probably anchor this to the wall. Then in the closet, not too bad, could be better, but not too bad. So I didn't really go through all the clothes just because I felt I'll just do it as I go, but at the top I was able to get rid of so much stuff. Up there I have like personal things, like just storage for me, not really for Jackson. What else is in here? Just like car seat parts, just random baby parts. And then back here, I still have like my bunch of gift bags, a duvet cover. I just put this here. Got my jackets back here. And then I have some like bigger, brand new boy clothes, toilet paper, laundry bin. And then that's like, the blue bin is small clothes. And then I have another bin there. What are you doing? Jackson, this is not very good. Then for here, this is a great storage spot. Like honestly, I just have some random shoes in here. This is that woven bin for the diapers, things I gotta put away, a box of diapers, a little bit of toiletries and diaper wipes and genie stuff. And then I just have extra wipes, blankets, and then again random things, but it's like nice and clean and organized. So here are the toys I'm going to rotate out, and then I just have a bunch of stuff that I don't need. Some of it will be donated or maybe given back to people or just put into storage. I have a lot of like travel size baby stuff that I get from like the hospital, from the doctor's office, that honestly like I just don't need and I know I won't use. Yeah, so let's give this a good cleanup and we're done. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, organizing and cleaning up this little guy's bedroom. Again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.